NI Water is investing £9.6 million in essential upgrades to help protect the River Foyle and support the future growth of Derry City. We are upgrading the Strathfoyle wastewater pumping station and replacing 2 large siphon pipes that have been serving the community since the 1970s. These improvements will help keep wastewater services reliable for local homes, help protect the River Foyle and support future housing and development. Every day, around 30 million litres of wastewater from homes and businesses on the east side of the city arrives here at Strathfoyle pumping station. This wastewater is screened to remove things like rags and grit. From here, the wastewater travels through siphon pipes onto the River Foyle and along the sewage network to Culmore Wastewater Treatment Works, where it is fully treated before being returned to the environment. Pipes beneath the river are over 50 years old. Replacing them now helps prevent future problems and ensures that the system continues to work safely and efficiently for everyone.
Strathfoyle siphons takes around a third of the flow from Derry City over to Culmore, and they are critical to NI Water operations. This investment will provide more capacity in the system to support additional housing and would allow our operators to monitor, manage and maintain flows more effectively.
Graham is grateful to the local community here for their support throughout both the pumping station upgrade and the current drilling exercise.